have a flip through today of a fall autumn journal. This is a Calico Collage digital kit and it's called Simply Autumn. It's beautiful. It has reds and oranges and yellows and greens. It's a beautiful digital kit. I used a hardcover book in a color that I thought went really well with the kit. And on the spine I have some fabric, and I layered up that fabric and then this fabric from the inside of the spine, a bingo card and a butterfly, and one of the cut aparts from the kit, and I added some embossing glaze and a ball pin. So we have a ribbon closure. Here's some of the same fabric that is also on the cover. And this one's pretty loaded. It has all sorts of tabs, and it also have paper clip little dangles that you could move around. The tabs are kind of stuck, and then you could write or stamp on them depending on what you would like. And we have some beautiful scrapbook paper. And then on this book tuck, I added some napkin that I decoupaged, and there's some tags. There's another bird. Here's a little tuck spot with autumn. Here's one of the dangles, and I added some distress embossing powder, or embossing glaze I think it's called. This journal also has some Edith Holden pages, and I love that they're pages from October, I think September, October, November. I tried to stay within the fall months for the book. And here's some of the digital pages, so pretty. And here is a tag that is actually connected, and I just slid over the side and then put a paper clip. And here's one of the tabs. More of the digital pages. I did double-sided and Edith Holden. And it also has copy dyed paper. Isn't this a fun scrapbook page? I love it. Here we have a belly band, and I did some distress oxides, and we have some tags that have sewing, stitching, and then it's also backed with copy dyed paper. Here's another tuck, unless I glued it. Oh, maybe I glued this one all the way around. This has lots of spots for journaling, adding photos. Here's another one of the paper clips. Here's another pocket with some napkin decoupaged and some more tags. Here's a little cluster, and it's a little tuck spot. Here's a little tuck spot for small tags. More of the digital kit. And here we have strings, and because this was so bulky already, I left this here. I'll probably just tie in a bow, because I'm afraid if I do what I've been doing, and that's metal charms, that it will just be too much, and I really didn't want to take out any of the tags. So let me So in this page, there's more digital pages, and then in the center, I just tied it in a bow. Here we have some recipe cards. Thought the apples were perfect for fall, and the carrots. Here's another tuck spot with more tags. And then a collaged big pocket here. Here's another fun pocket. And it's a tag that was collaged with a fun background with oxides, and there's some tickets and tags, and then this layer tag with the embossing. Another tab. Some more Edith Holden. Look at those mushrooms, so pretty. Another page, distress oxide. Fun colors. I love the colors of fall. See, here's a page from November out of the book. Here's some more Distress Oxides. All right, in the second signature, we have this big pocket here with the napkins decoupaged. And here's another pocket. Oh, I'm stuck a little bit. This one with the bunny. And this one. And these are little tickets inside of a ticket or a tag. And then this one with the layers. And it just tucks right here in the corner. There's another one of those paper clips. And butterflies. The seed packet. Another tab. And here's another paper clip. Another collaged pocket with more tickets. Not tickets, those would be tags. A little collage here. Another tab. This bead is folded. Here's the center of the signature, and I love the mushrooms in this page. Another paper clip, some washi tape. Here's another pocket with 3 more tags. More mushrooms. Here's another tag. Another little tuck spot. This one has October. There's another pocket with some more ephemera in it. And here we have another fun tag in the back. And there we go. There is Simply Autumn's, or the Simply Autumn junk journal for the month. And this will be listed in my Etsy shop if you are interested. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments below, and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.